Hello guys, this is Rahul and I'm back with my next WordPress video. So in this video, I will tell you how you can reset your WordPress data and make it like your WordPress website back to how it was just after your new installation. So in this video, you will see how we can easily delete all the posts, all the pages, also deactivate all the plugins and the themes. So if you want to know how you can reset like we just do in our mobile, okay, have you ever reset your mobile? It's a same process like that. We will reset all our WordPress data and make it like it was just after your new installation. So okay, it can be a case where you messed all your website and now you want to reset all the data from your website, but if you start doing it one by one, like you go on pages and delete one by one pages, then it will be more time consuming process and also it will not clear your database. So I will suggest you to do these steps and reset your WordPress website. So let's start with it. For resetting your WordPress website, we have to install one plugin called WP Reset. I just know the keyword of that. We'll see which plugin is more good for that. I have not used any plugin for that yet. So let's see. So we will go on plugins and click on add new. And I will search for WP Reset. So what we will do, we will go with the first one right here. It shows that WP resets the entire site or selected parts using advanced reset option to default values. Okay, we are looking for this only, so we will just install it and I will click on activate. Okay, look here, this plugin is good because it is updated 1 day ago only, so that's great. So I will just activate it. Okay, the plugin is activated now and this option will come under settings, I think. No, under tools. Yeah, look here, this settings has been come under tools here. I will just click on that. Okay, so I think we will go with all the default settings right here. Okay, look here, the option which is site reset, and this is option for pro tools, so we will not go for pro. If you want, you can go for pro version for it. I think it is okay with this version only. So what we will do, I will check this checkbox right here which is reactivate current theme, which is 2020 child. Okay, I want to reactivate it and reactivate WP reset plugins. Okay, and reactivate all currently active plugins. Okay, I don't want to reactivate all currently active plugins. So what this will do, it will just reactivate your current theme and reactivate this WP reset plugin which we have installed just now. And if we check this option, it will again reactivate all your plugins present in your plugin section. I don't want to reactivate all the plugins, so I will uncheck this option. And the last option we have to do is click here and type reset. Okay, so before you do reset, please make sure if you want some data from your post and pages, then you must take backup of this, because once you click on reset site, all the posts and pages will get deleted from your server. Okay, so I will come and reset the site. Okay, here is the warning, did you really want to reset? So I will just click on reset WordPress here and it is resetting now. Okay, so look here, the message has come which is site has been successfully reset to default settings. Now the website has been reset to all the default settings which was there when you install your new WordPress installation. So we will see our post section now. So I will go on post and click on all posts. Okay, now you will see our all post has been deleted and only one post, which is hello world, has created by this plugin. So this is a default post which is created by the WordPress only. So next we will go on our pages. I will go on all pages and look here. Here are also the same privacy policy page and sample page, which are also the default pages created by WordPress only. And then we will look for media also. I will go in library and look here, no media item found. All your media item, pages, posts will get deleted from your server. Then I will go on plugins now. Click on installed plugins. Okay, look here, all the plugin has been deactivated and only this WP reset plugin is activated. Okay, you remember we have checked on the checkbox which says reactivate WordPress reset plugin. So because of that, this plugin has been reactivated and all the other plugins gets deactivated now. So if you want any of this plugin again, then just activate it, otherwise you can delete the plugins. So I hope you have understand this video and the easy step to reset your WordPress and take it back to how it was just after your new WordPress installation. So if you have any queries, then ask me in a comments. I will try to solve your all the issues. So thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in a next video. Thank you.